Traveling to new places is so much fun, but when you're unfamiliar with your surroundings, it can make you vulnerable to people looking to take advantage of you. Not cool. Luckily, there are some great hacks you can use to make your travel safe and worry-free, like putting a glass on the door handle of your hotel room. Interested? Keep watching to find out more. Counting down from number 11, put a glass on your doorknob. When you're sleeping in a hotel by yourself, it can feel kinda creepy. What if someone somehow sneaks into your room while you're asleep? Although it's highly unlikely, here's a little hack that'll help you rest assured anyway. Slip a drinking glass onto the door handle of your hotel room on your side. That way, if someone turns the knob as you're sleeping, the glass will fall and alert you that someone has opened the door. Hopefully, you won't ever hear that glass drop, but it's better to be safe than sorry, right?